Have you noticed some videos trending recently with titles like, I got monetized in just 7 days, or how I hit 1,000 subscribers overnight with one simple trick? Sounds amazing, right? But is that really possible? Or just straight up clickbait designed to get you to watch? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to see if it's truly possible to get monetized in 7 days, and most importantly, to give you an honest, data-backed roadmap for what actually works in 2026, especially if you're running a faceless or AI-assisted channel. Let's start with the basics. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to hit 2 key thresholds. 1, 1,000 subscribers. 2, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. That's the minimum. But here's the catch. Hitting those numbers is only step 1. YouTube also reviews your channel for content eligibility, originality, and adherence to community guidelines. They check whether your account is in good standing, meaning no active strikes, spammy behavior, or misleading metadata. So why do these videos get millions of views while honest, realistic content gets far fewer? It comes down to 3 psychological triggers. 1, curiosity. Your brain sees 7 days and thinks, wait, is that possible? I have to find out. 2, social proof. When you see a channel apparently thriving because of a hack, your brain thinks if it worked for them, maybe it'll work for me. 3, FOMO. The idea that there's a secret formula you're missing is genuinely uncomfortable. It drives clicks. Are there rare cases where 7-day monetization is technically possible? Yes, but only if you already have a massive audience on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, and drive them all to your new YouTube channel at launch. Your fans subscribe and binge watch immediately. Another scenario, bulk upload dozens of videos before going public, then release them all at once, generating a flood of watch time in the first week. This is dangerous for a faceless channel, but we'll cover that in another video. The reality is, for 99% of creators starting from zero with no existing audience, 7-day monetization is a fantasy. Not because you're not talented, because the math simply doesn't work that way. For a faceless channel with quality content, posting 1 long video and 1 short per week is realistic. Safe, high RPM niches can accelerate earnings, but you still need time. Most channels starting from zero reach monetization in 4 to 6 months. This even depends on the niche, effort, and audience retention. Even with AI assistance, growth takes patience. Quick hacks rarely lead to long-term success. In the first few months of starting your channel, you're in the crawl phase. Your content is getting indexed, your thumbnails are being tested, and YouTube's algorithm is figuring out your audience. You might see 20 to 80 views per video. Subscribers trickle in slowly. This feels discouraging, but it's completely normal. In the 2nd and 3rd month, if your content has strong retention, meaning people are actually watching past the halfway point, the algorithm starts pushing you more. Views per video might jump to 200 to 800. Your shorts may start getting traction. In most cases, many consistent creators start hitting the monetization threshold within the 5th or 6th month, and probably with 1 long video per week, averaging 400 to 600 views. So what happens when creators try to shortcut the process? 1, spam flags. Uploading 20 similar AI-generated videos can trigger YouTube spam detection. Recommendations drop, often without warning. 2, demonetization. YouTube reviews channels for originality. Repetitive, mass-produced content can get rejected. Repeated rejections may shadow restrict your channel. 3, channel removal. Copyrighted music, reused clips, or misleading metadata can lead to termination. No appeal. No second chances. 4, burnout. Producing 20 videos in 7 days is unsustainable. Quality drops, and mediocre content can hurt your algorithm performance over time. The irony? Rushing doesn't help. The fastest path to monetization is building a channel that YouTube actually wants to promote. Now let's talk about what actually works, specifically for faceless and AI-assisted channels in 2026. 1, choose safe, high RPM niches that pass monetization checks. Examples: personal finance, business education, productivity, health info, software tutorials. 2, balance AI tools with human judgment. Use AI for scripting, voiceovers, and editing suggestions, but you make the creative decisions. Originality matters. 3, 1 or 2 long videos plus 1 short per week is enough. Consistency over 12 months beats intensity over 12 days. 4, optimize for retention, not just clicks. Click-through rate alone means nothing if your average view duration is short. Strong hooks, clear structure, and value delivery keep people watching, and YouTube pushing your content. 5, pick your first 5 videos carefully. They define your channel's identity to the algorithm. Same topic, tone, and target audience to train YouTube on who to show your content to. Stop comparing your day 1 to someone else's day 100. Measure your strategy by sustainability, originality, and safety. Creators still thriving in 3 years? They built slow, built smart, and built well. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Growing slow and steady beats, chasing unrealistic shortcuts. I'll see you in the next video.